Today we will understand the Reserve Bank Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 2026, an important customer protection initiative introduced by the RBI. The scheme provides customers with a free, unified, customer friendly, speedy, and impartial grievance redressal mechanism whenever they face deficiency in service from RBI regulated entities. It has come into effect from 1st July 2026 and has replaced the earlier Reserve Bank Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 2021. The primary objective of this scheme is to provide customers of RBI regulated entities with a simple, fair, transparent, and efficient mechanism for resolving complaints related to deficiency in service. One of the most significant features of RBIOS 2026 is the One Nation, One Ombudsman approach. Now, customers can file their complaints through a single, centralized complaint management system. The Reserve Bank of India processes and allocates complaints internally, so customers do not have to worry about selecting the correct ombudsman office. The scheme is also cost free, meaning customers are not required to pay any fee for filing or pursuing a complaint. It follows a non adversarial approach, focusing on conciliation and amicable settlement rather than lengthy legal proceedings. This helps ensure faster, transparent, and customer centric resolution of grievances. In short, RBIOS 2026 represents a significant step towards strengthening customer protection, enhancing trust in the financial system, and improving the overall quality of customer service provided by banks, NBFCs, and other RBI regulated entities. The biggest advantage is convenience. Customers can lodge complaints online, by email or post, track status online, and receive fair decisions. The RBIOS 2026 covers most RBI regulated customer facing financial institutions, including commercial banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, eligible NBFCs, and credit information companies. It ensures that customers of these entities have access to a common grievance redressal mechanism. However, certain specialized entities such as housing finance companies, core investment companies, primary dealers, mortgage guarantee companies, and specified NBFCs are not covered under this scheme. Therefore, customers should first verify whether the concerned regulated entity falls within the scope of RBIOS 2026 before filing a complaint. Complaint can be filed only if there is a deficiency in service, meaning any shortcoming or inadequacy in the services that a regulated entity is required to provide. Examples include delays in account services, failed digital transactions, wrong debits, ATM cash not dispensed, incorrect charges, or delays in resolving customer complaints. However, matters involving the commercial judgment of a bank, such as the rejection of a loan based on credit assessment, are generally not covered under the Ombudsman Scheme. The Ombudsman is not the first authority. Customers must first approach their bank. Only after waiting for the prescribed period can they approach RBI. The CMS portal is the easiest method. The contact center guides customers regarding complaint filing but cannot register complaints directly. One of the key enhancements in RBIOS 2026 is the increased compensation limits for customers. The RBI Ombudsman can award compensation of up to 30 lakh rupees for consequential financial losses and up to 3 lakh rupees for mental anguish, harassment, loss of time, and expenses incurred. While there is no limit on the amount involved in the dispute, the compensation awarded is subject to these prescribed limits under the scheme. Not every grievance can be entertained. The complaint must satisfy maintainability conditions prescribed under the scheme. The Ombudsman first encourages settlement. If settlement fails and deficiency is proved, an award may be issued directing corrective action and compensation. Remember these three important timelines: 30 days for bank response, 90 days to approach Ombudsman, 30 days to file appeal. The Reserve Bank Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 2026 strengthens customer protection by offering a transparent, centralized, and technology enabled grievance redressal mechanism. Thanks for watching.